In part 1, I showed you how to organize a project's folder structure. But in this video, I'm going to show you how I organize my Premiere and After Effects files. In part 3, I'm going to actually start a project and show you how to put all of these techniques to practice.
Like I said in part 1, these are just the methods that I've found to be useful, but you might find your own and that's totally okay.
My workflow in Premiere is based on keeping everything organized within a group of different bins or folders. To create a new bin, you can hit this button or hit Command or Control and the / button. The first bins we're going to create are hashtag sequences and elements. Under our sequences folder, we're going to create a hashtag final sequences folder. Next, we're going to organize our elements folder similar to how we did in part 1. Audio, footage, images, linked AE compositions, renders, and titles. Within audio, we're going to add music, production audio, and sound effects. Now, save this project in the project files folder within the project template folder we made in part 1. This way, every time you start a new project, you have a Premiere project ready and organized.
I use After Effects a lot on an almost daily basis, so I find it really useful to include an After Effects project within my project template.
My process within After Effects is pretty similar to how I organize within Premiere. First, we'll make folders for hashtag final compositions and elements. Within elements, we're going to create audio, footage, images, and pre-compositions. And, like before, we're going to save this After Effects project in the project files folder of the project template.
Now that we have our project files organized, in part 3, I'm going to actually start a new project and show you how to put all of this into practice.
If you're interested in a career in filmmaking, music production, animation, or even mobile app development, acting, makeup, and more, check out MediaTech Institute. They're an amazing and very hands-on school that offers incredible programs on each of those career paths. If you're interested in getting a jump start in your media career, go to mediatek.edu and be sure to subscribe to this channel for more videos.